Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today I am gonna tell you how I earn my money. Project name Earning Money. Name Abdul Rahman. Class 5A. School Learn Academy. Live in Islamabad. Teacher name Huda Zera. Overview. Once a day I was watching a video and it was about Minecraft playing on Oculus. So I was so shocked that this is the coolest thing ever. Goals. Sadly, I have Minecraft but not Oculus, and price of a Oculus is 6,999. So I decided to buy an Oculus but I didn't had no money. So I decided to sell lemonade to make money, but it didn't work because it was not tasty. So then I think to sell paintings online and it worked. I only earned 1500 rupees and 5500 was left. So I make sketches and sell that on the same website, and then I make good money. So I made and sold many sketches, so I earned 3000 rupees and now 4000 were left. The next day I saw the same Oculus on 60% off, and then I asked for the price. Surprisingly, the price was 3000 and I bought that rapidly, and I was so excited that I can't tell you. So after that I only play games on Oculus. Specification. We can play games with others and it makes so realistic in the game, and also we can watch movies and so much more. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.